Okay, here we are back on the 2000 Monterey 302. We just put it in its slip, fixing to hook up the electricity to it. We just got through running it. It's a 2000 Monterey 30-footer, model 302. Got an extended swim platform. We are running the generator right now. I haven't hooked up the shore power yet. Running the air conditioner and the generator. That's the generator. And that's your air conditioning cooling water. It's a little bit dirty right now. It's scheduled to get a bath later this week. But as you can see, it's got the windlass anchor. It's got the remote spot up top there. Bow cushions, round contemporary hatches. Radar arch, full canvas enclosure. It does have the full cockpit cover as well, which is right here. That's the cockpit cover. We'll take a walk inside. It's got the ice maker on the back, cockpit carpeting, vinyl seating, wet bar. A little hickeys on the vinyl, but you know, for this age of a boat, it's actually in good shape. Twin Volvo 5.7 inboard outboards. It's got GPS, depth finder, trim tabs. All right, I'll shoot another video inside.